are pleased to show you the 2020 Audi A3. The Audi A3 is a lovely premium hatch that deserves attention. It works on almost every level. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, security system, rear window defroster, fog lights, trip computer, heated front seats, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, power moonroof, leather seats, remote keyless entry. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.